Shoes and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys my review on this box from Sugar Cosmetics. So to start with, I absolutely love the packaging. I love the graphics on it. When you open the box, you're going to see all the products inside. So this box comes with 7 different products. They have 4 lip colors, 1 eyeliner, 1 kajal and a sharpener for the lipsticks. The lipsticks come in the form of a lip crayon. I'm going to start talking about them first. So they are matte finish lipsticks that are creamy. So they do not dry out your lips, which is something that I really like about them. They're pretty long lasting. If you're not going to be eating or drinking anything, they will easily last on your lips for 4 hours completely. So now I'm going to take you through all the shades one by one. The first shade in the lipstick range is this nude lip color. Now this is the perfect nude lip color. There are a lot of times that I want to look presentable but I don't want to wear a very obvious looking lip color. This is perfect for those times because it matches to my skin tone really well, but it has a hint of pink in it which makes it look nice and it makes my lips look naturally pink, so I really like this lip color. The next lip color that I'm going to be talking about is this pink lip color which is called Mary Poppins. Now this, as the name suggests, is a very popping pink lip color, and if you're a person who's looking for a nice bold popping color, then this is the one to go for. But if you're a person who doesn't like loud lipsticks, then this might not work for you. The next lipstick from their range is this red lipstick called Scarlett O'Hara. Now this is a perfect red lip color, and if you're looking for a perfect tomato red lipstick, then this is the one to go for. I am absolutely in love with the texture, as I already mentioned. The last one is my favorite. It's the one I'm wearing. It's called Poison Ivy. It's this mixture of pink and brown. It's one of the most different lip colors I've seen and I am loving this. I've been wearing this a lot. Since the time I've got it, I've worn it almost every other day. So I am really happy with this lip color. Now I'm going to talk about their eyeliner. So the eyeliner comes in this bottle. It has the thinnest eyeliner brush I've ever seen. I'm so in love with this. I've been using it every day since I've got it. I love the finish. It's completely matte. It does not crack. It does not disappear. It's there on my face until I remove it. So I'm really happy with this, and because of the brush, it's so easy to put on a winged liner. So if you're looking for a liner, then please go for this. I'm definitely repurchasing this because I've been using this so much. It's almost over. So I would really recommend you guys to buy this eyeliner. The last product that I'm going to be talking about is their kajal. Now it comes in this roller stick kind of a way. So I was not very happy with this because the color is not very opaque. So when I apply it on my waterline, it's slightly grey, which is not very satisfying because I want a jet black kajal or some other color. I don't like grey kajal. So I'm not very happy with this, but the finish is nice. It's very velvety, so you can use it for your eyelids or for tight lining your eyes. And if your eyes are not too watery, then it will stay on for a long time. But since I have really watery eyes, this disappears after a while. It's a kajal I'm wearing right now, and I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it is kind of grey. So I'm not too happy with the kajal. Overall, I'm really happy with the products because all the products have this really nice velvety finish, but all of them are matte, which is something that I totally love. So I would give it a thumbs up overall. Except for the kajal, everything else worked well for me. So I hope you guys found this review useful. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and comment below to let me know which is your favorite product from Sugar Cosmetics. And also, if you're considering to buy any of their products, comment below and let me know if you need any help. And I will see you next Wednesday. Bye!